payment to the father and son.
Marvin Sunk, now known as Father Son, was an unemployed school crossing guard at the bottom of his life when he suddenly got the idea to drop the K from his last name. Well, that move lit up his life, and it's been uphill ever since. He decided to go into the media business and help destroy the minds of those young people who teased him on their way to school. Now he was busy brainwashing them for FVB to build an army to take over the world.
We hate love. We hate joy.